10 Steps to Successful Teaching. Create audio dictionaries. Now, one of the things that I realize whenever I start a new year is that my students are about to enter a brand new world that they know little about. So it is important that they understand the language of the subject, and me providing them with the audio knowledge organizer is important. When you're ready to create the audio knowledge organizer, I believe that it is so important that you create them with your own voice. This will help the students identify you with the subject content. One way of creating an organizer is to use a program that allows you to record audio. Then you can give your students access to the content via the internet. Another way is to create a folder for each class in Google Drive. Inside of one class folder, create another folder and place all the audio files in that folder. Then create a Google Doc. Inside the Google document, type the name of each item and then write out the meaning of each of the words. Now select the word inside the document and link the words to the respective audio files. Then share the documents with your students. 10 Steps to Successful Teaching.